guys, Cindy A. Lewis here. Quick and easy craft for you today. Doing a little bit with watercolor or water reactive inks and your recipe cards. So we're going to make a pocket to put in your junk journals with some vintage recipe cards. I also have here some file folders that are just cut to about the size of the recipe card. Can be trimmed down a little bit if you like. I think that one's not supposed to be there. Anyway, cut to the size of your recipe card. All right, the next thing that I'm using is just an old plastic bag that was, or you know, just would be trash. But I'm just going to cut a little piece of it. Hey, by the way, if you're new, pop on, say hi, where you're from. Let me know that you're watching. So awesome. Okay, so I've got my little bag cut here. You can use glass mat if you like, or I could use this, and I'll show you in a moment. What we're going to do is make some background color on this recipe card. I'm not using watercolor paper, anything like that. And I've just got some watercolor markers here. So I'm just going to put a little pink on here on this piece of plastic, and I've got blue on here. Let's use this blue, and I've got blue, and then I've got a little bit of it's called marine. It's a little bit different blue, and all I'm going to do is take a little water and spritz it just like that. And then I'm going to take this to my recipe card and just spread it on there like this. Pick up my plastic, and it's making a really fun background that you can see. So I'm going to take my little piece of paper towel and blot that off. Now the only other thing that I really want to do is add a little bit to this before I adhere it to the background, which will be creating the pocket. And it'll open like this. So just adding a few little things, and then we'll make another one. All right, so I'll just put a little ephemera on there. It's got that fun background. You can write on it if you want to, maybe put something else on here, but the basics is you're going to take your glue or double stick tape and just do two sides. So we're making this sort of a tuck pocket and just adhering it to this piece of file folder here. And then now you have a little tuck spot here. Now I'm not decorating them too much, just wanted to give you the quick how to put that color in the background and make it super simple for you. So we're just gonna glue this on here and just adding a little extra color. You could add lace, you could add buttons, whatever you want to do. And that's just using this little piece of plastic here with some watercolor markers. Now the next thing to do is take some water reactive inks, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little blue. Now these are water reactive inks, and then I'm going to take a little bit of green and add to that with this one as well. And then all you need to do is add a little spritz of water. Take your paper towel, and you can see how that will change it a little bit and take some of that color off. And it just adds such a cool background to your already awesome vintage recipe cards. So I hope you enjoyed this craft. Thanks so much for watching, and look forward to more quick and easy crafts.